3, Extreme Gaming, 2, 3, 4 here. So the thing I've done for a very long time, guys, is the report test drop test. I haven't done for these for like a very long time. So we are recording out on the Galaxy Note 9 to tell how good the quality, guys. Leave in the comments below. So today we're in CQND on the LG K7. This one's old, and it's able to buy about a RAM. So let's get started. Ow. Is your MS recording?
Yeah.
Alright, making sure. Oh, heck, do this. I'm gonna try like this or something. Making sure that's like 2.5 thick or something. And then I can do like this. And then like this.
Alright, now put the bubble wrap around it. I mean the rubber band.
A bubble wrap?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do I
just wrap it around it.
I don't know how to do that. I will hold this. Oh, ow. There we go, got it.
There. It's just so it holds it.
Alright.
That's all, so the bubble wrap don't go flying.
Yeah.
Okay. Now.
Alright guys, so we're in this bubble wrap. We're at a LG K7. So what this is about, let's find out.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright, so we're in C. Well, let's protect it. Oh no, so, my guess is going to be a yes. What do you think, Mom?
Yeah.
I think we guess.
Yeah.
Alright, so here we go. Dropping it in 3, 2, 1. Bullseye.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a whoopee cushion, Mommy? What does it sound like? It's like a whoopee cushion.
It sounds like a whoopee cushion.
Maybe. Oh. My legs are killing me right now.
Climb upstairs. Alright, you want to come back over here so we can unwrap it, or you want to wrap it here at the table?
And you can't wrap it. I'm not used to this.
Alright, we'll come over here to the table. Because then we can stand this way. And then you should be able to see it. Here. Still recording.
Alright. Okay. But don't open it yet. Alright. Alright, now I can do that one.
Oh, you want to... Oh, okay.
Oh, I did this.
See?
Looks totally fine, right?
Yeah. Remember? Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh my God, that's just no. That's a
I didn't think that was there.
No, that part wasn't there before.
Oh, that part wasn't there before?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay. Looks good, though.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like there's any damage at all.
Back up quick. Yeah, the back looks totally fine.
Yeah. So
I didn't know that, right?
Okay.
So it turns out bubble wrap can protect the LG K7. So in the future, guys, I'll be doing jailbreak test on this bad boy, and then a classic drop test coming soon. So anyways, guys, peace.